What's up, everybody? It's Jared with Capture the Magic, and welcome to the latest Universal Studios construction update. And to say that Universal has been busy, even after opening Epic Universe back in May, would be quite an understatement, as there's current projects going on at Universal Studios and soon-to-be projects starting in the Islands of Adventure and also an expansion to Epic Universe, as well as Volcano Bay as well. So to kick off this construction update, we are going to start things off over at Universal Studios at the former home of the Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket roller coaster to check in on the construction of the new roller coaster that is coming to this area. Now, Universal has not said what the IP for this new coaster is going to be. All we do know is that it is going to be an intimate roller coaster who Universal really does like working with, and construction actually started on this ride even while Rip Ride Rocket was being demolished. And behind the Music Plaza stage, we can see that the ground prep work is still going on after the demolition of the former Rip Ride Rocket roller coaster here. And we can also see some interesting excavations here, as well as some of the elements from Rip Ride Rocket's footers are being preserved and will be used for the future coaster that is being built here. And this is a great view of a recently poured foundation element for the replacement coaster, and we can also see rebar set up for some footers that will be poured here in the near future. And we can also see some rebar set up for where footers will be poured with concrete. And in another view of this same area, we can see more of the sheet foundations and footers are in development for the new coaster construction. And in this expanded footprint of the new coaster, we can see that the area where it has eaten into part of CityWalk, as well as some foundation and footer elements, are being built right next to the Hard Rock Cafe. And this is a great view of the coaster construction and the updated walkway for guests in the CityWalk area that was recently finished and open to guests. And one of the main changes in this area was previously there were stairs on this path, but now there is a gentle slope here, making it more accessible to more guests here. And this is what that new walkway looks like on the ground level that guests can see. And in another view of the construction, we can see at the arrow where the green slime themed pavement that does still remain from the former Nickelodeon Studios that used to be at Universal Studios. And for the new coaster replacing Rip Ride Rocket, the main entrance of this new attraction is going to be further down in the New York section of the park. And here we can see the current status of the construction of the coaster station and the service building that are going to be built right here. And looking a little closer, we can see footers and utilities being buried for the service building for the new coaster. In another view of this area, we can see lots of various foundation and footer pieces are being built and constructed here. And here we have a great view of the firehouse in the New York area and the beginning stages of how this area will change in the coming years as this new roller coaster station is being constructed. In this ground level view of some of the construction, we can see some of the views of more footers that are being built and developed in this area. And again, near the Hard Rock Cafe in CityWalk, we have a great shot of various stages of footers. We have sheet foundations with circular sets of rebar that are set and ready for concrete pours. Concrete currently curing in rebar forms for the footers here, and buried foundations and footers with wood boxes that are protecting some of the connections here. And in a more recent photo of this area, we can even see the footers have been poured, and there is even some solid progress in this area just a few weeks between when the initial photos were taken until right now. And this is another view of an updated photo where we can see more sheet foundations and footers that are in progress, and more foundation work is being set up for a concrete pour very soon. And in this view, we can see even more footers are being constructed near the CityWalk area that is near the new walkway that is also in CityWalk. And in a wider view, we can see the footprint of this new coaster has the same narrow footprint that Rip Ride Rocket did, but it will extend a bit further into both CityWalk and also in the New York area of Universal Studios. Now, jumping over to another part of Universal Studios, there is construction going on where the former Expo Eats snack location was, which is near the Central Park and Kids Zone area of the theme park. And this is the current construction of the new snack stand that is replacing Expo Eats in this area. And speaking of DreamWorks Kids Zone area, we talked about in a previous construction update that there is some work going on for the splash pad in Shrek's Swamp for Little Ogres, and this is the current status of that work. All right, jumping over to Islands of Adventure, we know there will be something new coming to the Lost Continent, as there are construction permits, which is rumored to be a Pokemon land that is going to be replacing the Lost Continent. Now, if you want to know more about that permit and what is likely going to be coming to the Lost Continent, you can check out another video on this channel that discusses all that in further details that I will link above. But for now, though, we can see major demolition and construction has not yet started, but we can see some trees were recently removed in this area right here. And while demolition has not started yet, we can see that prep work for demolition is happening as construction fencing is being staged at the now closed Poseidon's Fury attraction. And previously, we do know that there has been ongoing work at the bridge between the Lost Continent and Seuss Landing, and we can see there is still scaffolding and some scrims on one side where railing work continues. Now, jumping over into Epic Universe, we also know from permits that there is an expansion coming to the Ministry of Magic. We also know that there is an expansion coming near Super Nintendo World that was recently announced in permits. And more recently, there was actually construction work in and around Epic Universe, as there was a fence put up to block some of the views of the water treatment plant near Stardust Racers. And here we can see that fence is completely finished, and landscaping along that fence also looks to be completely finished as well. Now, an interesting element that we saw during the Epic Universe construction was the monsters that were on display at the former Monsters Cafe in Universal Studios were saved, and they were on site during the construction of Epic Universe. And we can still see in these photos that those displays are still around, and not sure what the future plans for these figures are, but it does seem Universal has something in mind for them, as they have been recently spotted just laying on the ground behind the Frankenstein Manor in Dark Universe. And speaking of Epic Universe expansions, we can see the first expansion of Epic Universe has started, as this expansion is between the Super Nintendo World and the entrance Kronos to Epic Universe, and land clearing here has begun. Now, Universal hasn't confirmed what this expansion will exactly be, but according to permits, it's likely for some sort of entertainment area, which could end up being for corporate events, team member areas, etc., and not likely some sort of major expansion for everyday guests of Epic Universe. And there's also construction staging that is starting near Epic Universe, and this area was recently cleared, and there's also trusses and other materials in this staging area. And here we can get a look at the expansion pad for the Ministry of Magic, where an expansion will be built, as we did see permits filed by Universal for this area. And according to what I have been told, work will begin on this expansion in Q1 of 2026, and is going to be a broomstick style ride coming to this land. Now, if you want the latest update about this expansion, what is likely coming, again, you can check out a previous video that we did make that is linked above that goes through everything that we currently know about the expansion coming to the Ministry of Magic in Epic Universe. And according to people I've talked to, there will also be an expansion coming to the Super Nintendo World expansion pad that is likely to be Zelda, but work on this area won't likely start till sometime in 2027. And there's also work beginning on Catchlight Crossings, which is an affordable housing development being built by Universal Studios that is going to be near Epic Universe. And here we can see the beginning stages of that work. And before we finish up the update, there's also work going on at Volcano Bay. And here we can see there is work going on for a new roof over a section of the Volcano Bay bus stop. And there was also work recently spotted at the expansion pad for Volcano Bay. Now, it's unknown what this work is for, but it's likely something new could be coming to Volcano Bay in the very near future. All right, well, that's going to do it for this Universal Studios construction update. If you enjoyed this update, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, as we will be doing more construction updates for Universal Studios and Walt Disney World as construction continues at both of these theme park destinations. And also on this channel, we cover more things revolving around the theme parks, entertainment, and pop culture. And if you're looking for Universal Studios and or Disney World information like news, tips, reviews, money-saving strategies, and more, be sure to subscribe to the Capture the Magic podcast here on YouTube at CTM Podcast. And you can also find the show on whatever podcast platform that you happen to listen on. And before you go, be sure to listen in the comments what you think about all this. And until next time, we will see you in the parks.